Hey, what's up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to talk about top iPhone must-have accessories that you should be buying if you're buying an iPhone. Now these are not some fancy accessories that if you have an extra penny to spend that you could buy or you could just ignore, but these are the accessories that you should be buying if you have already using an iPhone. So in this video I'm going to show you all the accessories that I personally use, and links for buying all these accessories will be in the video description below. So if you are watching this video and checking these accessories out, definitely do buy these accessories from the video description. That will help the channel out. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. But before that, if you're new here and happen to enjoy this kind of videos on my channel, I would request you to give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to the channel. That gives me a lot of motivation to make more such kind of videos for you guys. Now with that being said, let's get right into the video. As you guys can see, here I have all my accessories. So let's start with the iPhone. So as you can see, I have been using iPhone for now 4 years, and not only I have one, I have two iPhones. Here is my iPhone 12 and there is iPhone 10R. So I have pretty good idea about all the accessories that you should be buying, whether you have an old iPhone or a newer iPhone like iPhone 12 or 13. So first things first, once you're buying an iPhone, it becomes pretty much important to protect your iPhone. So this is a screen guard, or you could say this is accessories from Spigen. I would be leaving the links in the video description below. So the name of the product is Spigen Easy Fit. So many of you are afraid while it comes to applying the screen guard on your iPhone, because there you might leave bubble or things like that. But this press and slide Easy Fit from Spigen, this is a must-have product if you're buying an iPhone. This will leave no residue and it is very much easy to apply this kind of screen guard. So as you can see, this comes in a box and this is around 1000 rupees or so, and you get a pack of two. So already the one that you're seeing on my phone is pre-applied already, and now I am showing you the other one. So you don't have to do anything, you just have to slide it onto your phone just like that, and you have to press it, and once after 30 minutes you have to just pull off the sticker. That's how you apply it, and that's simple it is to apply. So I hope that you like this product, and if you're using an iPhone and recently have bought an iPhone, then you should be buying this accessory, because this is pretty much important when it comes to protecting your iPhone screen. So the next accessory I'm going to talk about, definitely the iPhone cases. The one that I'm using right now, and you see it on the video, it's from the company called Amazo, and it's around 500 to 600 rupees. So definitely when it comes to the protection of your iPhone, you should be protecting your iPhone with the cases and covers the best you can buy. It's not like you can buy some knockoff or cheap accessories like cheap cases and covers, which will definitely cause damage to your costly iPhone. So I recommend this case, which is from a company called Amazo. This is a transparent case, and as you can see, there is also no chance of getting this cover yellowish, because the side rails are made up of plastic and the back is made up of polycarbonate. So I will leave the product link in the video description below. And also, if you want to spend your money on the silicone covers like the one that I'm using on my iPhone 10R, as you can see, these are available on Amazon between 600 to 700 rupees. So I will make sure that I am leaving all the cases and covers that I use for both my iPhones. That will help you decide according to your price range whatever the case and covers you want to buy for your new or used iPhone. But definitely this is a must-have accessory. You want to protect your iPhone, so that's why I talked about the iPhone cover. So the next thing, and the very important thing, is whenever you are buying an iPhone, as you can see nowadays the iPhone boxes are thinner, and the thinner iPhone boxes mean it doesn't come with the charger. So you need to buy this kind of Apple or MFI chargers. So this charger right here is a 20-watt charger, and this is the one that I personally use. This is the 12-watt adapter. So these adapters are very much important, and it is pretty much important that you use original Apple adapters. I know people who buys this knockoff chargers, like they get it on cheap rate between 300 to 700 rupees, and those are available on Amazon as well. But I would strongly recommend you to use the original chargers from Apple, or at least the chargers which are MFI certified or made for iPhone chargers. So personally saying, between this 20-watt charger and between this 12-watt charger, I use this 12-watt charger. It is a kind of a fast charger, but it does not charge my iPhone as fast as this 20-watt charger, but it's okay. I generally like to charge my iPhone overnight, so I like this 12-watt charger. Don't worry, this 20-watt charger is also pretty safe, and it comes from Apple, and the cost is around 1800 to 1900 rupees. So definitely I'll be leaving the link for both of these chargers in the video description below, so definitely check this out. So the next important accessory is this USB cable. So there are two USB cable. If you are using the newer adapters like 20-watt adapters that I've just shown you, then you have to use this USB-C type to lightning cable, which already comes in your iPhone box. Now if you're already having a USB charger, and I definitely recommend you to buy this kind of flexible and nylon braided USB-A to lightning cable. As you can see, this is the USB-A to lightning cable, and over USB-C to lightning cable, I definitely recommend this USB-A to lightning cable, because it will give you more flexibility in terms when you would like to connect your iPhone. Or maybe you're having a speaker, maybe you would like to charge your iPhone on the car itself, or many of the accessories nowadays in India at least don't support this USB-C type as of now. So definitely buying a charger which has USB-A to C type is pretty much important. So make sure you buy a USB-A type to lightning adapter, and if you want to use the Apple 12-watt adapter, then there is no problem. This charging cable is pretty solid, and it's nylon braided cable, so definitely I recommend this over this USB-C type to lightning cable. So I will be leaving the link of this in the video description below, so you can check it out. So the next important accessory is a power bank. Now I know that these iPhone 12 and 13 series of iPhones, they support MagSafe charging, and Apple has their way of coming up with the new accessories like the MagSafe power bank and things like that, but the price it comes in, it is very much costly, and I personally don't use that, and I don't recommend that either, because that is pretty much costly. It comes around 10,000 to 11,000 rupees in India. I use the simple power bank from a company called Urban. As you can see, it has a USB-A type, and also it has a USB-C type input. So if you have a USB-C type to lightning cable, you can charge with this, or either if you have a USB-A type to lightning cable, you can use this power bank to charge your iPhone. And I have personally used this, and also this supports the fast charging up to 12 watts. So if you're on a trip and if you're traveling, then you need to charge your iPhone, definitely a power bank is a must-have accessory that you need to use, and this is pretty much pocket friendly. That's what I like about the size factor. So definitely I would recommend you to use a power bank to charge your iPhone whenever you are on the go, and definitely I recommend this product from Urban. I will leave a link in the video description below. So the next product in the list is having wireless AirPods. Now these are the Apple original AirPods Pro. I have been using this device for almost now 1.5 years, more than that. If you are having a tight budget and can't spend 17 to 18,000 rupees on an Apple accessory, then definitely I would be leaving some of the alternate of this Apple AirPods Pro in the video description below. But the point is, I want to show you that this is a wireless accessory, and if nowadays you're using your iPhone and you would like to listen to music rather than using a wired headphone or earphones, I would definitely prefer this kind of AirPods or earpods which are available in the market. So definitely I would be leaving some of the alternatives which comes in the budget friendly range in the video description below. And that's all for this video, guys. I just wanted to show you all the accessories that I personally use for my iPhone, and what are the accessories that you should be buying if you have recently bought an iPhone. These are not any fancy accessories or gadgets that if you want you can buy them or ignore them. These are the important accessories, and you could actually use them in your day-to-day life. So I hope you liked the video, and with that being said, I want to end this video. I know you have liked this video, so give this video a thumbs up, and also if you have watched this video till the end, it's a humble request to consider subscribing to this channel. That gives me a lot of motivation to make more of this kind of videos for you guys. Now with that being said, I will see you on my next video. Bye.